Here's I'll show you how to backup your Premiere Pro project. All you have to need, go to File and open Project Manager. And here under Sequence, you will find all of your sequence you created in the project. Now, if you want to backup your project with all sequences, select all of them. And then under Options, you can go ahead and adjust the settings. I'm unchecking Include Audio Confirm Files and include preview files, and then click on Browse and select a location where you want to backup your all Premiere Pro projects, and then click on Select Folder and Disk Space, click on Calculate, and here you will see your backup file size. Now go ahead and click on OK. Yes, and that's how we can backup our Premiere Pro. Now go to File Explorer and just go to the folder, and here you will find your project backup file. That's it.